Okay, let's see what this is saying. A school has 40 fewer boys than girls. How many girls are there if the school population is 420? Okay, this is what I'm getting from this. No matter how you slice it, a certain number of boys plus a certain number of girls, that amount is equal to 420. We don't know what amount it is, we just know that that's the case, right? So let me just, right? So let's just focus on that a little bit. Now they're saying that the school has 40 fewer boys than girls. How would I write that? 40 fewer boys. How would I write that? I have an idea. Let me not puzzle it. If girls is equal to 140 and boys is equal 100, then G is equal to B plus 40. Just think of it like that. If I add 40 to this B, it would give me the value of 140. So let me just say that G is equal to B plus 40. That makes sense. Because, and it will not make sense right away, but look at it from another perspective. They said that the school has 40 fewer boys. Okay, we can change this. We can say that, well, we want B to be the subject of the formula. So what we do, we minus 40 from here, minus 40 from here. Therefore, B is equal to G minus 40. That makes all the sense in the world. Because now we get to do something that we would not be able to do before. If B is this amount, then we are going to change this B that we have right here into G minus 40. So the G minus 40 is going to replace that B. So let's do that and see what happens. Let's actually do that. So we're going to have G minus 40 plus, okay, maybe I'm running out of space here. Fine. Let's try and remember the original question, right? How many girls are there if the school population is 420? Right? So let's try to remember that. So, remember what we're doing here. This G minus 40 is the new B. We're adding that to G and it's equal to 420. And of course, this is 1G, 1G. We add them. We will get 2G minus 40 is equal to 420. Then we know what happens next. What happens next is we add 40 to both sides. 2G will be equal to 460. See if that makes sense. So 2G equal 460. We divide both sides by 2. The number of girls will be 230. Right? I know everything line up. Let us put this right here. 230 here. The G, if we replace G with 230, 230 minus 40, let's minus 30 from this, you get 200. 200 minus 10. B is, for the boys, we have 190 of them. And it lines up with what we have here. If we add this to this, we get 420. 3 plus 9, 2 here, carry the 1, 3 plus 1. There you go. So, it took a little bit of maneuvering, but as long as sometimes it needs to make sense to you. You need to make it make sense to you. So you don't have to use B is equal to G minus 40. I mean, it could have worked the other way around too. It could have been G is equal to B plus 40. So it could have been, what would that have been now? B plus, wait. Let me do this. So it would have been G is equal to B plus 40, B plus 40, right? So it would have been 2B is equal to, you take away 40 from that, it would have been 380, and then you divide both sides by 2. There you go. So either way, the number of boys would still have been 190. So in other words, you can use B is equal to G minus 40, or you can use G is equal to B plus 40. Right? Either of them can be used. So if this is less confusing, use that. This is less confusing, use that. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.